So this is my progress so far. I got the floor out. I left the inner rockers in, but I will replace them, inner and outer. And my inner will have to be attached to the new chassis or the new floorboard. So I will do it once I put the cab in place. I'll still need to trim probably like here, and got this cut, and I'll have to, I'm actually glad I took this piece out too, because I'll have to trim it here to get all this rust out, and then put a new piece to connect it to the new truck's cowl gutter. getting closer for the fit test. So the back of the square body cab would sit here, which is about 2.5 inches from this edge. So I have a couple of options. I don't want to mess with the frame. Option number one is to trim here all the way and just weld it up with the cab, and then I'll have to mess with the bedside to get the wheel centered. Or option number two, if I don't mess with the bedside and have the bed centered, it would actually come up to this point right here, and I'm not going to have to trim this, but what I'll have to do is cut it right here and extend it 2.5 inches. I should look into that. It's not too hard, but it does require a little bit more work. But the benefit of that is that I can use the studs, original studs, to put my seats back on, and I'll have more leg room than the square body in the back, and of course in the front, because this floorboard actually has more leg room. So I'm actually gonna have the exact same leg room as the GMT 800 or 900s crew cabs. So if I'll go this way, I'll keep the same leg room for the rear seat passengers. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments.